Good morning dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. My dear students, in this video lecture we are going to solve an important questions which is very useful for 10th class board exams and as well as NTSC examination. So what is the question? Let's start. The angle of elevation of a tower at a station capital A due north of it is alpha, okay, and at a station capital B due to west of A is beta. Then prove that height of the tower is AB sin alpha sin beta upon in the square root sin square alpha minus sin square beta. So for better understanding we will draw the diagram of this given information. Here we can draw the diagram. East, west, north, south. Okay. There is a station in the direction of north. Let's suppose here is the station capital A, okay, and this point is origin, O for origin, and suppose this is a tower. We can take P, okay, P is the point and OP is the tower. Let's suppose small h is the height of the tower. We have given angle of elevation of the top of the tower is alpha from the station A. Station is in the north direction. So suppose this one angle is alpha, okay. Now there is another station capital B due to west of A is beta. Suppose station B is here, okay, in the west of A and angle of elevation is beta. So initially we will draw the base. Here from this point is capital B. From this point angle is beta. This one angle is beta. Okay. Now this one angle is 90 degree. Okay, this one angle is 90 degree. Why this one angle is 90 degree? Because OP is perpendicular to this base and this one angle is also 90 degree. AOP is also equal to 90 degree. Why? Because OP is also perpendicular to OA. So now we have three triangles in this diagram. In triangle OAP, okay, we have angle alpha. So tan alpha is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is OP. OP means H upon base is OA. We can also write OA is equal to H upon tan alpha. Okay. Now we will take second triangle. In triangle OBP, okay, OBP is also a right angle triangle. So we can write tan beta is equal to H upon OB. In this triangle OB is the base. OB is the base and perpendicular is the same OP. So we can write OB is equal to H upon tan beta. H upon tan beta. Now we have these two values. OA is equal to H upon tan alpha. OB is equal to H upon tan beta. Now here we can write in triangle OAB. OAB is also a right angle triangle. OAB, right angle at A. So we can use OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay. OB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. It is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So now we can write OB square minus OA square is equal to AB square. Now we can put the values of OB and OA. OA is equal to H upon tan alpha and OB is equal to H upon tan beta. Here H square upon tan square beta minus OA square means h square upon tan square alpha is equal to AB square. We can take h square as a common. After taking h square as a common, here we get 1 upon tan square beta, or instead of tan square beta we can write sin square beta upon cos square beta. So it will be look like cos square beta upon sin square beta. Okay, minus same thing we will apply here, cos square alpha upon sin square alpha. We are using identity is equal to AB square will be same. Okay, so here in the next line we can write h square. We can take LCM, sin square beta sin square alpha will be the LCM, sin square alpha sin square beta, it will be the LCM. Here we can multiply sin square alpha cos square beta, sin square alpha cos square beta minus cos square alpha sin square beta, cos square alpha sin square beta, okay, is equal to AB square will be same. So here we can write h square sin square alpha into cos square beta 1 minus sin square beta, okay, minus here we can write 1 minus sin square alpha, okay, into sin square beta will be same. In the denominator we can write sin square alpha into sin square beta, okay, is equal to AB square, h square here sin square alpha minus sin square alpha sin square beta minus sin square beta multiply 1, it will be sin square beta, and because of this negative sign it will be negative sin square beta. Sin square beta multiply sin square alpha, it will be sin square alpha sin square beta with negative sign, and there is also a negative sign out of the bracket, it will be positive sin square alpha sin square beta, and in the denominator we will write the same thing, sin square alpha into sin square beta is equal to AB square. So my dear students, you can see very clearly sin square alpha sin square beta, it will be cancelled, sin square alpha sin square beta. So here we get h square into sin square alpha minus sin square beta upon sin square alpha into sin square beta is equal to AB square. So simply we can write h is equal to this one. We can take the square root on both the sides. Okay my dear students, I hope you understand the question. Thank you so much.